Two pieces underwater scooter set, 10 kilogram propulsion, 20 meters diving thruster, waterproof electric swimming equipment for water sports, diving, snorkeling, and sea adventures. EU plug. Hi, welcome my friend. The wearable underwater scooter only needs to be fixed on the arm. When you want to start it, you only need to clench your fist to control the accelerator to start, which can free your hands and allow your palms to perform more operations underwater. You can operate the power switch in the water. Wait for 1 second after the motor self-test is completed, and then pull the throttle to move forward. This product is recommended to be used in shallow water areas, which can allow users to swim more freely in shallow water areas. The deepest use limit is not more than 20 meters. If you are a professional scuba diver, you can use it within 20 meters. The thrust of a single scooter is only 5 kilograms and the test power is only 0.8 meters per second for human weight of 70 kilograms. So a single scooter can only have a boosting effect for adults. Children can go faster. The thrust of the two scooters is 10 kilograms and the test power is 2.2 meters per second for a human body weight of 70 kilograms. It can easily push the forward speed of adults underwater. The energy of VU underwater scooter is 118 watt-hour, which exceeds the upper limit of carry-on the plane, but it can be brought on the plane as long as it is declared with the airport security personnel. After using in seawater or fresh water, rinse with clean water and place it in a cool and dry place to dry. Package includes 2 hosts, 2 chargers, 2 fixed wrist guard. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.